BCG vaccine introduction. BCG, Bacilli calmette guerin, called Mycobacterium bovis, which is closely related to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the agent responsible for tuberculosis. It is prevent children getting more severe forms of TB, particularly TB meningitis. It is freeze dried and needed to be mixed with the correct dilution from the same manufactured before administration. Dose: a vial with 20 doses. Dose for newborn is 0.05 ml. Route: intradermal into the upper arm, and BCG vials must be discarded 6 hours after mixing. BCG can give up to baby 1 year old. BCG vaccine named after two French scientists, Albert Calmette and Calme Guerin. The first tested on women in 1921. Effective in preventing severe form of TB and leprosy among the children. And recent epidemiological studies correlated BCG with prevention of COVID-19. Countries where BCG is universally administered have reported less mortality and morbidity due to COVID-19, studies claimed. WHO maintained more evidence is needed and it does not recommend BCG for prevention of COVID-19. BCG developed by two French scientists Calmette and Guerin. Strain used M. bovis 1908. The isolate was cultured in medium containing glycerol, potato slice and beef biles. Organism was subcultured every 3 weeks for 13 years for 230 cycles. Then, types of BCG. Live attenuated bacterial vaccine. WHO recommends Danish 1331 bovine strain. Two types of vaccines: liquid vaccine and freeze dried vaccine. Aim of BCG vaccine: to induce a benign artificial primary infection with attenuated tubercle bacilli and thus reduce the morbidity and mortality from primary tuberculosis among those most at risk. And coming to dose. Dose differ by vaccine strain and age of recipient. Protective effect and adverse effect depending on total mass of organism and viable bacilli count in the vaccine. Up to 1 month 0.05 ml, more than 1 month up to 1 year 0.1 ml. 1 into 10 to the power of 6 to 33 into 10 to the power of 6 colony forming unit per ml. Route of administration. Most accurate route is intradermal. Other routes are percutaneous with multipuncture device in Japan, and most common site is deltoid region of left arm, and other sites are thigh, forearm, tuberculin syringe. Then coming to why intradermal route is favored. Oral vaccination required larger dose of BCG. Difficult to control the effective dose with oral administration. Intradermal injection is more efficient at inducing tuberculin conversion. Cervical lymphadenopathy attributed to oral administration. Procedure of the BCG vaccination. Intradermal injection BCG. An intradermal injection is given directly into the dermis layer. Carry out the following steps when giving an intradermal injection. The first one is load the reconstituted BCG vaccine 0.05 ml for infant less than 1 month and 0.1 ml for greater than 1 month infants. Position the baby. Position your left hand under the child's left arm and gently pull the skin under the arm To stitch the skin at the injection site, hold the syringe in your right hand with the bevel edge of the needle pointing up. Then insert the tip of the needle into the skin, just the bevel and a little bit more at 150 angle. Don't push too far and don't point downward. This way the needle will go under the skin and will make the injection subcutaneous instead of intradermal. Then put your left thumb over the needle end of the syringe and to hold it in position. Hold the plunger end of the syringe between the index and middle finger of your right hand and press the plunger in with your right thumb. When a intradermal injection is given correctly, the plunger is hard to push. Then inject the vaccine and withdraw the needle. Cut the hub of the syringe with the hub cutter and put plastic portion of the syringe into the red bag. Then if you have injected BCG correctly, a flat topped swelling appear on the skin. The swelling may look pale with very small pits like an orange peel. Phenomena after vaccination. Intradermal BCG injection, then 5 mm wheel immediately. Then there would be a papilla at the injection site within 2 to 3 weeks, which will return into the nodule by 5 to 6 weeks. Then it will be break into the ulcer, which will heal spontaneously within the 6 to 12 weeks, forming a scar. Then in this time, this is a normal reaction. When the technique is correct, the vaccine will go in easily and no swelling will be visible. If the whole dose has been delivered under the skin, consider the child vaccinated. Don't repeat the injection. If the whole dose has not been administered, reposition the needle and given the remaining dose. Follow up for side effects such as the abscess and enlargement of the glands. After the vaccination, the mother or attender should be told that injection site is not to be touched. Storage away from direct light 0 to 8 degrees Celsius as at all levels of the cold chain. Reconstitution with normal saline. Distilled water is hypotonic and may cause the rupture of the bacterial cells, so not used. Reconstituted vaccine must be used within 3 hours. Duration of immunity. BCG induced immunity develops about 6 weeks after vaccination. Protection 15 to 20 years of vaccination. Efficiency is 0 to 80%. Benefits of vaccination. Protection against most serious forms of disease like meningitis and disseminated diseases. BCG vaccine prevents the massive lymphohematogenous disseminations. Complications or adverse effects. Local subcutaneous abscess most common. Prolonged severe ulceration. Regional lymphadenopathy, axilla or cervical or supraclavicular, and musculoskeletal lesions, osteomyelitis, multiple lymphadenitis, and non-fatal disseminated lesions, fatal disseminated lesions, suppressed individuals. Contraindications. Immune deficiency disorders, HIV infected infant, leukemia, lymphoma, congenital immunodeficiency, etc. Patient on immune suppressive treatment, and pregnancy, hypogammaglobulinemia and generalized edema, infective dermatosis. Safety of BCG. Complications are rare and depending on skill and method of administration, type, strength and dose of vaccine, age and immune status of vaccine, and local reaction and abscess are more common in women and older children. Other uses of BCG. BCG vaccine also protects against the leprosy, lymphadenitis, Burill's ulcer, and immune modulating agent and urinary bladder cancer. Strengths of the BCG vaccination: effective against disseminated forms of disease, long track record of safety, low cost, eat stable in a freeze dried form, scar indicated a dose received, positive effect on control of other diseases, no alternative vaccine available. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like.